Hi, Kasim! Happiest birthday to you. Senior ka na. So, marami ka ng benefits sa government. Enjoy your day! And stay in love. God bless you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!
Good evening, happy birthday, Doris. May you have many more fun. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tita Des! Stay young and healthy. I love you and I miss you.
Happy birthday, Tita Des. Stay safe and healthy always. Love you po. Miss you.
Hello guys! Happy 60th birthday! Senior ka na din, so welcome to Laklan. Ang wish ko kayo doon, sana bigyan ka pa niya ng mabuhay upang makasama mo ng matagal ang iyong mabait na anak, ang iyong mga manugang, mabait din. Sabi niya ay kasundo mo at parang mga kabarkada mo rin. At ang iyong mga apo na nagpapasaya sa'yo sa stay young and fresh looking, pretty, active, hindi ko na ito kakahabaan. So, happy 60th birthday again. I love you. And bye-bye.
All the best. Happy birthday. Just stay pretty, stay sexy, and stay healthy. Enjoy life, best. Cool ka lang lagi. I love you. Hasta luego.
Hello, ate. Happy 60th birthday. Wala na akong mawi-wish sa iyo. You have everything. Happy birthday. Mahal na mahal kita. Kung saan ka liligaya, doon ako. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hello, happy birthday. Welcome to the group. Sama-sama na tayo. Siguro ay pareho lang tayo, hindi magpe-pension. Pareho na tayong pensioner. Ay, sana wish ko good luck, good health, and more blessings, and more apos to come. Hindi apoy, kundi apo. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. We wish you more birthdays to come hanggang sa maging dalaga ang kambal. We love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you so much. Have a happy birthday. I love you. Mwah. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Mama! Gusto kong kuhanin itong pagkakataon na to para sabihin yung mga bagay na hindi ko normally nasasabi sa inyo. Salamat sa pagkalinga, sa suporta, at lalong-lalo na sa mga sakripisyo nyo. Hindi namin mararating kung nasaan kami ngayon kung hindi dahil sa patnubay nyo. Ngayong 60th birthday nyo, ang tanging hiling ko lang para sa inyo ay maging masaya. Be happy. Happy birthday. I love you.